I'm doing ozone treatments before and after each detail, as the ozone has the ability to neutralize and kill any bacteria or viruses, along with remove odors, and I'm able to let the ozone dissipate for a few hours before I have to spend any time inside the truck. And as I start on the pre-wash rinse, I figured I would let you guys know that I was able to film the customer's reaction, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video to catch that. Now, as I spray off the back end here, I figured I would answer a question and a comment that I see all the time, and that's why are all the trucks that I do almost always GMs? And really, the simple answer is that they tend to be used more as work or farm trucks around here than Fords or Dodges do. Even despite the F-150 being the most common truck on the road around here, it just seems that my clientele prefer GM trucks, and because word of mouth drives a lot of my business, I end up detailing a lot of Silverados and Sierras. Now, getting some thick foam on this truck, and if any of you are in the market for a foam cannon, I highly recommend picking one up off Amazon, as they're only about 30 to 40 bucks and work just as well as the name brand expensive ones. The link to the one I use is in the description for you if you're interested. Alright, so just before I get started on the interior, I'll get these floor mats quickly sprayed off, and then using some APC diluted 4:1, I'll hit them with the drill brush to get them nice and clean. Alright, so with all the customer's personal items removed, I can get the vacuum plugged in, and with this truck having caked on dirt in and around all the crevices, using something like my Tornado and compressed air really won't do much for it. It needs to be agitated loose, so the Vorsair brush is the perfect tool for the job. Now, in the driver's floor well here, the carpet was really worn down and very thin in spots, so unfortunately when carpet gets like that, there's only so much you can do, and I know it's not going to look perfect when I'm done, but I will do everything that I can to get it as presentable as possible, including using the drill brush to make sure there won't be a single piece of debris left in the carpet. Here's all the nasty water the Bissell pulled from this truck. Gross. Now, because there was still some caked on dirt remaining in the crevices, it's easiest to just spray the APC directly onto the door, and then I'm making sure to agitate really well in all those crevices, and then I'll take a slightly damp microfiber towel and wipe everything down, paying really close attention to those crevices to make sure that I've gotten them clean. And with the detail done now, I'm doing another ozone treatment on the truck just to be extra safe for the owner's protection.
Hey?
Shabby. This looks a lot better than when I brought it in.
Yeah, a little less mud on it, eh?
No kidding. Interior.
Yeah, just turned it real nice.
That is 100 times better than it was. Nice.
Cool. All right. Well, keys are in, and
on.
thanks for bringing it in. And
Yeah.
enjoy.